Dear students, I welcome you all. Today's Maths Prasad Maths Academy. Today we are going to learn finding the square root by division method. In the last video, we have seen how to finding the square root by repeated subtraction method and by prime factorization method. In this video, we are going to see how to find the square root by division method. So if numbers are very large when the numbers are large, even the method of finding the square root by prime factorization method becomes slightly lengthy, difficult. To overcome this problem, we use the long division method. So how to do the how to find the square root by long division method or division method? Here what we'll do, we'll take one example from the exercise so that uh, we can understand how to solve the find the square root by division method. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll take exercise 5.4. In that, first question we'll take and we'll find the square root by division method. So follow the steps and you can easily solve the other sums also. Okay, so what we'll do, from exercise 5.4, in the question number 1, you have to find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. Yes, so we'll take first sum, that is question number 1. That is, in that first one, we are going to find the 2304. You are going to find the square root of finding the square root of 2304. So here we are doing by division method. Yes. So first what we have to do is, first we have to write 2304. First we have to make a line. You have to draw like this, and okay, so take a little bit upside because we have to put the bar on the numbers. From the right side, means unit place, we have to put the bar. Means for 2 number you have to put the bar. For example, 2304 is there. First two numbers, unit place and tenth place, we have to put the one bar, and second two places number, we have to put the one more bar. Okay, in this way we are going to put the bar. Means what this bar indicate, the answer is in two-digit answer. It will be a two-digit answer. That bar represent how many bars? Two bars. So two-digit answer will be coming, right? So we have to find the square root of 2304. So first bar you have to see on the left side, that is 23. So you tell me, 23 is a number lies between which two square numbers? That is 4 square and 5 square, right? So 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So 23 lies between 4 square and 5 square. So what we have to do, we have to consider a smaller number, so smaller perfect square number, that is 4. So we have to write 4 here, and we have to write in quotient also 4. Okay, so write below 4 here also. Okay, so now what you have to do, its addition you are going to write down here, its addition you are going to write downside here, and its multiplication you have to write below the 23. So 4 4s are, it is 16. Okay, so now you have to subtract here 23 minus 16, that is 7. Okay, so next step is what, you have to take next bar under numbers under the bar, next bar, that is you have to take it down. So that is 04. Now 704. So now you have to choose the number here, so that if you are choosing 81 into 1, whatever you choose, you have to multiply by that number only. Yes, so that you should get close to this number 704, or you should get exactly that number. For example, it will do 84 into 4, you can try. Okay, so 4 fours are 16, 8 fours are 32, plus 1 33. It is very less still. Okay, so we have to check which we get 704. Whatever you multiply here, same number you are going to multiply here also. Okay, so that is, for example, now you check 88 8 means, because unit place is 4 here, that is why we are checking 88 into 8. So 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64 plus 6, it is 70. Yes, so you are getting 704. So whatever you would choose number, you are going to write here 8 and here also 8, and in the quotient also you are going to write 8. So now next step is 88 into 8, you are going to write below this 704. 88 into 8 is, you already seen, 704. So write 704 here. Now subtract this one. 704 minus 704, it is 0. So when here reminder is 0, you can say that the square root of, therefore square root of 2304 is, that is 48, what you written in the quotient place. So square root of 2304 is 48. Yes, in this way you can find the square root of a number. Similarly, now we'll take one more number. Same method we are going to follow to find the square root. Okay. Yes. See, next question we are going to take, that is, we'll take one more number, that is question number 7. We're going to solve any one or two sums because it will take more time. So we are going to take only few sums we are going to solve here. That is, for example, now I am going to take square root of 5776. So to find the square root of this by division method, so what we have to do, draw the line here, write 5776. Now first step is you have to put the bar from the unit place for two numbers, and again here two numbers. Okay, if it is one number also, you have to put the bar for that. So now first step is what? Now 57 is a number. It lies between which two perfect square number? That is 7 square and 8 square, right? 7 square and 8 square. Now you have to choose the number 7 here and write the 7 also here, and write the quotient place also 7. Okay. So here you are going to add 7 plus 7, that is 14, and 7 into 7, that is 49, you are going to write here. Now here you are going to subtract. 57 minus 49, it is 8, right? Now next pair you are going to take it down, that is next bar, under that bar you are going to write below. Okay, now 876. Now choose the number here, and that number only you are going to write here also, and in quotient place also. Okay, so that you should get close to 876 or below that, right? So here unit place is there, so 140. When you take somewhere number here, you should get multiply, it should, unit place should be, you should get 6. What is the number you can choose here? Guess the number. It may be 4 4s are 404 you can take, or 6 you can take. Okay, maybe we'll try with 6. Okay, 6 6 are 36, 3 carry here, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3, 27, 2 carry, 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 2 carry, it is 8. So now you are getting 876. Yes. So therefore you have to choose the number 6 here, and write this 6 also here, and write that 6 in the quotient place also. Okay. So 146 into 6 you are going to write here, that is its multiplication you are going to write in the below 876, that is 876. So the now here you subtract. If remainder is 0, the square root of the 5776 is 76. Okay. Yes. So square root of 5776 is 76. Okay. In this way you can find the square root. Yes. Yes. So yes, in this way you can find the square root. If anything is the remainder is remain, okay. For example, if it is not a perfect square, then some number will get remains here. Okay. So if you subtract from the given number, then you get the perfect square. Okay. This number you have to subtract whatever remainder. Here 0 you have to subtract because it is perfect square. Remainder is 0. If any other number remains, that number if you subtract, you will get a perfect square number. Okay. Yes. So if you want one more sum, we will take that also. Okay, we'll take 11th question 3136, right? We'll take question number 9. So you can try this also last. Square root of 3136. So I want to find the square root of this again. 3136. 3 6. So first step is what we have to do, we have to put the bar. Yes, then you have to find the 31. It lies between which two square number, that is 5 square and 6 square. Okay, so you have to choose a lesser perfect square number, that is 5 square, that is, so 5 right here and 5 right here also, and that 5 right here also. So 5 5s are 25. If you subtract 31 minus 25, that is 6, and next you are going to take a bar. What is that? Next pair bar you are going to take, that is 36 you are going to take down, and here you are going to add this two number, that is 10. Okay, now choose the number so that you should get close to 636. What is the number? You can check 4 4s are, you can check 404 into 4 is around 400 something, but you can choose 6 here. Okay, 106 into 6 is, it is 636. So answer you will get 0. So therefore square root of 3136 is you write the 6 also here. So therefore it is square root of 3136 is 56. Yes, in this way you can find the square root. Next we are going to find the yes, how find the number of next question. Find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculation. So they are asking if you find the square root of 64, you know that is 8. So only tell you have to tell that how many digits answer it will come after finding the square root. Yes. So I told you already, whenever you are finding the square root of any number, you have to put the bar, right? For two digit for pair numbers, right? So in that way, whatever number is bar is coming, that will be the, it will indicate that what is the digit of the answer, right? So if you, for 64, if you put the bar here, only one bar is you can get. So therefore what is the what it will be answer, it is one digit answer. Yes, it is a one digit will come, right? What about the second question? See, if you put the bar for these two number and next only one number is there, for that also you have to put the bar. So here two bars are there, so it is two digit answer will come. Yes, number of digits is two digit here. And for the question number third, here again bar, and for this also bar. So it is two digit answer, right? You can see this one bar is here, one more bar is here, one more bar is here. So what is the number of bars here? 3. So 3 digit answer will come, it is. Yes, so in this way you can find the number of digits in the square root, right? Yes. Okay, so next we'll see about question number third. So here also we are going to find the square root of the following decimal numbers. Okay, so here we are going to find the square root of decimal number. For example, we'll take question number 3 in that third one. So that is, we are going to find the square root of 51.84 by division method. Yes, so we are going to find the square root by division method. So here same method you have to find how we done finding the square root of a number, that is division method. So right here 51.84. so first step is we have to put the bar. So when you are putting the for decimal numbers, you are putting the bar means first you have to put the bar for integral part from the unit place. This is one bar. For decimal part, again you have to put the bar from left to right. Okay. So in this way you are going to put the bar. So say we'll put the bar here. This is the bar here, and from this side it is a bar. Two bars are there. Yes. So now first step is 51. We utilize between two for square numbers, which are a square number, 7 square and 8 square. Okay, so we have to choose 7 here, write 7 right in the place of quotient also. Okay, so its multiplication you are going to write here 49, and its addition you are going to write here 14. Okay, now here you are going to subtract 51 minus 49, it is 2. Next you are going to take next bar, you are going to put the below. Okay, 84 you have to take it down in the below step. Okay, now whatever decimal place is there, you have to put the decimal place in the quotient also. Now choose the number here. Same number you are going to write here also and in the quotient also. Okay, so now see, unit place is 4, so what number you are going to choose here? You are going to choose 2. Okay, so 142 into 2 is 284. Okay, so that 2 write in the place of quotient also, and here in next step you are going, then you can add here. So here 284 minus 284 is, it is 0. So therefore now remainder is 0, therefore square root of 51.84 is 7.2. So same way we are going to find the square root. So this is the answer for the square root of 51.84 is 7.2. So similarly, if you want one more sum, we can do here. Yes, so finding the square root of simple number, you can take 7.29. That is second question we are going to do here. Square root of 7.29. Same method you are going to follow, right? So put the line here, then 7.29. So first step you have to put the bar, okay, for the number. So for integral part you have to put the bar. If it is one digit also, you have to put the bar. Okay, if it is two digit, together you are going to put one bar. For decimal part, two digit number it is there here, decimal. So for two digit you are going to put the one bar, right? So now 7 is lies between which two square numbers? That is 2 square and 3 square. So you are going to write that is 2 square and 3 square. So you are going to write 2 here and 2 here also and 2 in the quotient also. Okay, so now you can multiply. Here you add first 2 plus 2, that is 4. 2 into 2, that is 4 here again. Okay, so now 7 minus 4 you are going to do, that is 3. Next you are going to take 29 down, means next bar you are going to take it down. So decimal place is there here. Now decimal you put in the quotient place also. Okay, yes. Now choose the number so that you should get the number whatever choose here, multiply same number here, so that you should get 329. So what is the number you can choose here? That is unit place is 9 is there. Now 47, when you multiply by 7, you get unit place is 9. So you can try this one. 7 sevens are 49, 4 carry here, 7 fours are 28, 28 plus 4, that is 32, right? So it is 329 you are getting, right? So you have to choose 7, right? 7 sevens are 47 into 7. So 47 into 7 is 329. Multiply here, and it's 7 you are right in the quotient place. So here if we subtract, the answer is, a remainder is 0. Therefore square root of 7.29 is 2.7. Okay, so in this way you are going to find the square root. Okay, yes. Next, what next question is, that is question number 4. Find the list number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get perfect square. Also find the square root of the square so obtained. Okay, yes. So here same procedure you are going to follow. Only thing that here something you are going to subtract here. What number you are going to subtract to make it perfect square, they are asking, right? So for that, if in the place of remainder, if something is remains, then that number you are going to subtract so that the given number will become perfect square. Same step you have to follow. Whatever remainder here 0 is there, in the place that any number is remaining, that number you have to subtract. Okay. So question number 4, we'll do one sum here. That is second question I am going to do. What number you are going to subtract to make it to find the square root of the perfect square so obtained, right? So now I want to find 1989. So what number we have to subtract to make it perfect square and also find the square root of the number. So same step you are going to follow, that is put the line like here. Here you write 1984. So first step you have to put the bar. Yes, bar here and bar here. Okay, so you tell me 19, it is lies between which two square number? That is 4 square and 5 square. So you choose 4 here, write 4 here also, write 4 up in the question place also. Now you add 4 plus 4, that is 8 here, and its multiplication you are going to write below 19. Yes, that is 16 here. So 19 minus 16, it is 3. Yes. Next step is you have to take next bar numbers under the bar. You are going to write below, that is 84 here. Now choose the number here. That number you are going to multiply so that you should get close to this 384. What is the number you are going to choose? So we'll start with 84 into 4. Yes, 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32 plus 1, 33, 336. Or you can try with 85 into 5. Is it close to that number or is it bigger? Yes, 5 5s are 25 to carry, 5 8s are 40, that is 42. It is bigger than. So you have to choose this number 4. Okay, 4 here, 4 here. So its multiplication you are going to write 336 here. Okay, right here 44. Yes, that is in the question place, and subtract the number here. Okay, 384 minus 336. Okay, so here 8, here 4, here 0. Okay, so what is the remainder here? 48. So to make it perfect square, 48 you are going to subtract here, right? So 1984 minus 48, if you subtract, you will get the number is, it is 81984 minus 48. You are going to subtract, that is 6 here, then 8 minus 5, that is 31936. So the number you obtain square number is 1936. Its square root is 44. Yes, in this way you are going to find the square root of a number, what number you are going to subtract, so that the number becomes a perfect square and you are also found the square root of that number. Okay, yes. So in the same way we can find the answers of the next question also. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.